Side Power can offer a package for the casting of the tunnel. This is an epoxy-based mixture from NM Epoxy. This is very strong and easy to work with. This mixture is ideal as it does not emit any smell or dangerous gases. The package includes epoxy and sheets of fiberglass. The installation is performed in 2 different phases. The package has divided the materials into appropriate quantities. Make sure to use these only one portion at a time. The relationship between base and hardener gives you enough time to work with the epoxy. Spread a good layer of the mixture around the tunnel openings on both sides. Use a roller to even out and spread the mixture as evenly as possible. Then lay the included fiberglass sheets around the tunnel on the inside of the boat. Make sure the sheets are thoroughly soaked with epoxy. If needed, a brush can be used for this purpose. The epoxy mixture is easy to work with when creating the spoiler. Make sure to mix the epoxy properly to minimize sanding and finishing later. If there is any epoxy left, roll it evenly on the fiberglass sheets around the tunnel.